Are you ready to pull your hair out trying to wire your engine swap harness? Let us do it for you. Check this out.
Here you can see this is the Mars branded fuse box. But one of the great features of this is the size. Pull out the tape measure here, and this thing is just a hair over 6 inches long, and side to side it's 3 inches side to side. And it has mounting holes on the back here, has mounting holes on the top, so you can bend up a little bracket to hold it here. You can just screw it into the side on there. And then it has this plug where it plugs onto the rest of the harness, and it's 2.5 inches by about 2 inches. You can get that through a 2.5, 3-inch hole by a 2-inch hole. And then this wire goes to your battery. So that's what makes the Mars fuse box assembly so wonderful, is a compact size, completely waterproof. Inside has our label to show where everything goes. It's been tested, computer tested.
Now let's take a look at our harnesses.
This is starter solenoid, ground wire. This plugs onto the fuse box. It's not labeled, but both plugs are brown, so the brown goes to brown. And then as we come up to the end here, this is the bundle that goes inside the car. OBD 2 port, and we include a cover on most of those. Throttle pedal plug, it's labeled. And then all these wires go inside are labeled, like see, shift down, shift up, fuel pump, ignition, start, that kind of thing. And then this bundle here stays under the hood, and you have your alternator wire and ambient air temperature. So we try to make it as easy as possible by labeling everything, giving you the nice compact fuse box to make it really easy for you to install one of our harnesses.
We offer new harnesses for Gen 2 Coyote F-150s, Gen 3 Coyote F-150 and Mustang, Godzillas with the 6R140, 10R140, 10R80, and the manual. We also offer new harnesses for the Hemi and the Hellcat. As far as modification services go, we offer those for all the Coyotes up through the Gen 3. We offer it for the 2.3 EcoBoost, the 3.5 EcoBoost, the 2.7 EcoBoost, and also for the LT1 series engines from GM.